may mga kalokohan sa liquidation. Would you agree? Kasi ang daming kaso sa ombudsman na ganyan eh.
That the mere act of receiving money, you being in the government, already constitute a violation of the law.
Take your seat.
Ms. Catalan, for the information of everyone and the chair on this honorable committee, siya po yung isa sa mga pumirma as the head of the accounting department unit.
Yes, please continue, Congressman Paduano.
Ma'am, are you still with the DepEd?
Yes, Your Honor.
And please tell us about your present position in DepEd.
I've been the chief accountant since 2010
Until now?
until now.
Until now. So, you're aware of this liquidation report that was submitted by COA to this committee. And your name was affixed in this liquidation report. And you have a signature on this liquidation report.
Yes, sir.
So you're aware.
I am aware of the face copy of the liquidation report, but the supporting documents were not presented to me.
So it was not presented to you, you just signed it?
It was,
You're the chief accountant?
yes, sir, but it was just a formality that it should be covered by the liquidation report. But
No, but supposedly you're the chief accountant, you have checked.
Ma'am, how can you certify something as complete and proper if you did not verify what is the content of the documents?
Sir, it is a standard procedure that every liquidation document should be covered by a signed
No, but
liquidation.
that is common sense eh.
Yes, sir. But
Paano po kayo magse-certify ng isang dokumento na complete and proper nang hindi nyo nakita? Hindi po ba kayo nagtaka na nagse-certify kayo ng isang dokumento na complete and proper pero hindi nyo naman nakikita yung laman ng loob?
unfortunately, that was the case, sir.
Did you bother to ask the legal department or the COA na bakit kailangan dumaan pa po sa inyo? Bakit nyo kailangan i-certify ang isang bagay na hindi ninyo ini-inspeksyon o tinitingnan?
It was one of the requirements, sir, and I was made to sign that document, unfortunately.
Meron po akong isang tanong. Nakakatanggap po ba kayo ng envelope kay ASEC Paharta? Yung totoo po, ma'am. Remember, you are under oath. Aside from your allowance, from your regular budget, nakakatanggap po ba kayo ng envelope just like Yusek Mercado and Director Osias from ASEC Paharda?
Yes, sir.
Magkakano?
Minimal amount lang po.
Which is, how much po?
It's not even,
Magkano po?
it's 25,000.
25,000. How many times po? If you could recall.
9?
Ilan?
9 times.
9 times. From what month up to what month? Let me guess. From February to September?
I think so, sir.
So, nung September po, tumigil na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just like Yusek Mercado. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, thank you po.
Mr. Chairman, lastly, I'd just like to manifest, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, can I, last
Yes.
na lang po. Ma'am, actually, ma'am, talagang naawa din ako sa inyo. Kasi, tingnan mo, accountable ka dito. Sabi mo kanina, ni-request ka. Pero, ang labas pa rin, ganun eh. You were requested, but, tapos, medyo kalakaran na may lagayan sa loob. Kaya nga ako, ma'am, I want to just express my my sympathy to you. Naawa talaga kami sa inyo. Napipilitan kayong permahan yung isang bagay na hindi tama. Eh ngayon kung may kaso, pag lumabas yung NDA, yung finality nun, tatamaan kayo dyan. Ano process? Ako, Mr. Chairman, sabi ko nga, naawa lang ako dito sa mga officials ng DepEd. Pag ganito yung kalakakaran. Ngayon, dalawa na. Eh, baka sunod, hindi lang dalawa. Di ba? Kaya, Mr. Chairman, at least ngayon, umamin na si ma'am, tama na ako. Okay na ako,
If
Chairman.
that money is part of the confidential fund, then you will be implicated for a possible case of malversation. But if that money is part of the personal money of the Vice President, please understand that the mere act of receiving money, you being in the government, already constitute a violation of the law. And this is provided under Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, Republic Act 3019, paragraph 3B, receiving of gifts.
Now, Madam Catalan, what makes you special, or what do you have that you would merit a 25,000 envelope, contained in an envelope? Ano pong meron po kayo?
Ms. Catalan, you are recognized.
Hindi ko po masagot, Your Honor.
Eh kasi, yung mga matataas sa inyo, ang testimony nila, hindi po sila nakakatanggap. Pero here you are, the head of the accountant division, nakatanggap po kayo. Ano po ang meron kayo that would merit na bigyan po kayo ng envelope ni Vice President?
Your Honor, yung sinabi lang po sa akin ni Sec. Shine is that a form of gratitude.
What did you do? What did you do that would merit yung kuwan na yun? Na maging magpapasalamat sa iyo si Madam Fajarda or the Vice President. Ano po yung ginawa ninyo?
Maybe we're just doing our job in the accounting division, so maybe they were just very...
Naniniwala po ba kayo na sobre at pera ang award ng isang empleyado na efficient sa pagtrabaho po niya?
Maybe, Your Honor.
Huh? When you say maybe, it is being done in the department? Ganun po ba?
No, Your Honor, kasi
O kaya nga,
I cannot
anong
say that.
meron ka na ganun ang kwan sa iyo?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, hindi ko po masasagot kung ano ba meron.
Kasi ako, ang tingin ko, dahil ikaw ang head ng accounting division, kagaya ng maging head ng budget o mga head ng treasurer, it is your position. Kasi yung liquidation at saka clearing, dumadaan palagi sa inyo sa inyong mga opisina. Di ba? At no matter how you look at it, marami pong kalokohan sa liquidation at saka use of funds. Di po ba?
Yung regular transaction, we ensure na lahat po ng disbursement is duly supported by documentary requirements. But again, the confidential fund is quite different and the first time that we have in the department.
Whether it's confidential or regular funds, may mga kalokohan sa liquidation. Would you agree? Kasi ang daming kaso sa ombudsman na ganyan eh. So it's happening.
Honor, but in DepEd, basta regular transaction po, we ensure na lahat po ng transactions or disbursements are duly supported with supporting documents, and these are subject to post-audit naman po.
Hindi natin, I would ask you questions regarding the regular fund, tsaka sa procurement, but it's not the issue of the day. Ang issue kasi ngayon is the use of confidential funds. I would like to ask you that also. Pero ako, from my experience, nakikita ko na yung mga ganyan na pwesto, yun po yung nare-regaluhan ng sobre. Either by the heads of office or by those who transact business with your office. Kasi the ombudsman cases would show that na nangyayari talaga. Hindi po ba kayo naniniwala ron?
Naniniwala po, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Nabante.
Ms. Catalan, you have been in the DepEd for 30 years, correct?
Your Honor, 36 years.
How many cabinet secretaries have you been in?
I cannot remember, but the first cabinet secretary was Secretary Isumbing.
Were you even given envelopes during those times on different secretaries?
Your
Ms.
Honor, as
Catalan?
I mentioned earlier, there was no giving of envelopes in all these years except in 2020.
So therefore, only when the Vice President was the Secretary of DepEd.
Yes, Your Honor.